Alright, here's a 1-minute overview of everything I've done to this bike and whether or not it was worth the money. Headers, Delcovic, and I matched that with the Ivan Tune flash on the ECU, Yoshimura Brevis N-Can, K-Tech Razor R aftermarket shock, and these two items were probably the best thing I did on the bike. The shock really helped stabilize the bike on track, and the ECU flash really settled the throttle in like the first and second gear handling. Just really made the bike go around turns a lot better and feel more stable. Metzeler M9RR tires stick a lot better than my worn out Michelin's. And then frame sliders, which have already proven useful when I dropped this thing in a parking lot when I was too tired. And actually I cracked the had to replace the turn signal because of that. But this came with the bike, and it actually saved the exhaust in that tip over, which is really handy because this Yoshimura pipe is not cheap. Only other thing is I swapped the factory, whatever that was, coolant just to distilled water. Brake pads are EBC HH centered, and the whole front end is still stock. I'll probably change out the oil in a little bit next time I get it serviced. I got a valve adjustment coming up, but yeah, it's a really good bike. I would definitely recommend it to anybody that's comfortable with this kind of weight, and you know, you're not going to be as fast up here in the canyons as a supermoto on something like this, but it's a good time. So just coming up on 24,000 miles. We'll see how the valves are in the next service, and that'll kind of give me an idea of how well this motor's been holding up to its tolerances. Until then, ride safe.